Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from Amar PTE classes. I hope you all are doing fantastic. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share these videos with your friends who are preparing for PTE. And if you need any kind of help like online classes and offline classes, then you can contact me. My number is given in the description box. So in this video I'm going to discuss write from dictation. Write from dictation is the important part of the PTE because it is contributing 50 marks in PTE. So I will share some different accents with all of you, and these are the repeated write from dictation. Means if you are preparing your exam in the August 2024, then go through these write from dictation. And the accent of the speaker is different in this video, so keep your pen and paper ready along with this video. So in write from dictation, tip is that you can add 3 to 4 words extra, because sometime क्या होता है कि if the sentence is of 10 to 12 words, then students are trying to write the 24 words. Means अगर वो 10 words हैं, then they are adding 7 to 8 words extra. So don't do this. If you are not sure about something like plural and the ed form of verb, then you can add only 3 to 4 words extra. But if you have the understanding of the sentence, means you can understand the English and you can make the sentence, then I will suggest you कि आप एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स को ना ऐड करें. बट फिर भी अगर कन्फ्यूज़न है, देन यू कैन ऐड 2 to 3 words extra. So I will recommend this too, and this is the tip for this particular video. And to mastering in write from dictation, mean in this particular task, go through different type of accents and works on your spelling and take a brief knowledge of the grammar. So let's start. Keep your pen and paper ready, do some examples, and these are the most repeated examples. So let's try it. And you will get 3 to 4 questions in the final exam, and this is the last task of the PTE.
Cooperation between departments featured to succeed in this company.
So first one is cooperation. फर्स्ट लेटर जो है वो कैपिटल होना चाहिए. कॉरपोरेशन बिटवीन डिपार्टमेंट्स featured to succeed. So check your spellings of succeed in this company. So try to you have to start the line with first capital letter. So जब भी आप first word लिखते हो तो उसका जो first letter है it should be capital, and you have to close the line with full stop. So you can also add some extra words. So this is the mistake, succeed, and I am adding here the extra. Means you can add 2 or 3 words extra, and a. So let's check the sentence. So the sentence is cooperation between departments featured to succeed in this company. So you have to focus on the spelling of succeed, SUCCEED. Then between है तो between means एक डिपार्टमेंट में नहीं होगा, डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स में होगा. So that's why I am writing here departments. But if you are confused in singular and plural, then you can add both, but only add 2 to 3 words extra. So always add the extra, बिकॉज द मोस्टली हमारे पास जो होता है वो सुनने में कई बार मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है और आप ऐड कर सकते हो. सो लेट्स डू नेक्स्ट वन.
You are advised to revise this project.
So this is you are You are advised to revise this project. सो यू आर विद आर मीन्स अगर सेंटेंस की जो बात है वो पैसिव में हो रही है देन वी विल ऑलवेज यूज़ ईडी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. सो यहाँ पे आप एडवाइसिंग नहीं बोलोगे, यू आर एडवाइज्ड ईडी फॉर्म. टू रिवाइज दिस है, सो दिस मीन्स एक ही प्रोजेक्ट है, सो दैट्स वाई आई एम राइटिंग हियर प्रोजेक्ट. सो लेट्स चेक इट. You are advised to revise this project. So this project advised with are and revise.
Some people believe that education should be free for all.
So some people believe that education should be free for all. सो सम पीपल है, कुछ लोगों की बात हो रही है, बिलीव दैट एजुकेशन शुड बी फ्री फॉर ऑल. सो लेट्स चेक द आंसर. बिलीव दैट एजुकेशन शुड बी फ्री फॉर ऑल. बिलीव, चेक योर स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ बिलीव. नेक्स्ट.
This course provides the opportunity to get valuable industry experience.
This course provides the opportunity. Check spellings of opportunity. To get valuable industry experience. This course provides the opportunity to get valuable industry experience. So check the spellings of opportunity. Provides experience, because students जो confuse होते हैं वो कई बार I और E में confuse हो जाते हैं. So let's check the spellings. This course provides the opportunity to get valuable industry experience.
The architectural numbers vary in that experiment.
Sentences. The architectural numbers. I am confusing in number and numbers, so I am adding both. Vary in that experiment. The architectural numbers vary in that experiment. So that means particular one experiment. So I think it's only experiment. So check the spellings of architectural. First you have to write architecture, then remove E and add AL. Numbers है यहाँ पे vary in that experiment.
Find out how to get your resources before your research.
So sentences, find out how to get your resources before your research. Find out how to get your resources before your research. Find out how to get your resources before your research. Check the spellings of resources and research.
Art is an expression of creative skill and imagination.
Art is an expression of creative skill and imagination. Art is an expression of creative skill and imagination. This is the answer. Art is an expression of creative skill and imagination. Check your spellings of imagination, creative and skill. Skill with double L.
One of the promises is to decrease the contest.
So sentence is one of the promises is to decrease the contest. One of the promises is to decrease the contest. सो दिस इज ई सेंटेंस. कई बार क्या होता है कि हम मिसअंडरस्टूड करते हैं कि कॉन्टेस्ट है या कॉन्टेक्स्ट है. देन यू कैन ऐड बोथ, बट मोस्टली हमारे पास यहाँ पे कॉन्टेस्ट ही आता है.
Timetable about new time will be available next week.
सो टाइम टेबल हमेशा आपने इकट्ठे लिखना है, तो बच्चों को कन्फ्यूज़न होती है. टाइम टेबल अबाउट न्यू टाइम विल बी अवेलेबल नेक्स्ट वीक. Timetable about new time will be available next week. Check the spellings of available and timetable. Timetable हमेशा आप अगर स्टार्टिंग में स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे हमने T कैपिटल लिया. सम टाइम इट इज़ इन बिटवीन दी सेंटेंस. देन यू कैन राइट टाइम टेबल विद स्मॉल t, बट ऑलवेज राइट लाइक दिस.
Those who considering a career of marketing should attend the talk.
Those who considering career of marketing should attend the talk. Those who considering career CARER of marketing should attend the talk. So check spellings of career with double ER, because confusion यहाँ पे होती है कि double R आना है या double E आना है. So it's with double E. Then marketing with single T and considering.
There is a pharmacy on campus near the bookstore.
So this is the repeat sentence. There is a pharmacy. Check spellings of pharmacy. On campus near the bookstore. So bookstore भी I think combine आएगा. So I am adding both book then store. So let's check कि ये collectively आना है या separate आना है. There is a pharmacy on campus near the bookstore. So अगर bookstore आ रहा है then you can write like this. Next one.
The marketing budget is doubled since the beginning of the year.
So the sentence is the marketing, again the word marketing, budget is doubled. Again इसके साथ हम ed form use कर रहे हैं because the sentence is in the passive voice. Since the beginning of the year. So beginning with double N, beginning of the year, the full stop. So let's check it. The marketing budget is doubled since the beginning of the year. So write down the spellings of the beginning with double N, then doubled, इसके साथ double use कर रहे हैं because the sentence is in the passive voice. Then marketing.
Experts are able to forecast weather for a long period.
So here it is. Experts are able to forecast weather for a long period. So this is the sentence. Experts are plural है, but if you are confused then you can also write expert are able to forecast weather for a long period. So weather है, long period की बात हो रही है, forecast की बात हो रही है, तो मौसम की बात होगी. So this is the spelling of weather. Experts are able to forecast weather for a long period.
The summer course was cancelled due to insufficient enrollments.
The sum of the course was cancelled due to insufficient enrollments. So I am confused in course and courses, so I am adding here courses and war. So cancelled means you can write cancelled with single L or double L. So this is in American and in British. So let's check it. The summer courses. The summer courses was cancelled due to insufficient enrollments. So check spellings of insufficient, then enrollments, cancelled. You can write cancelled with single L or double L, and here it is summer, not some. Next.
Scientists learned through observations and analysis of human behavior.
So scientists learned through observations and analysis of human behavior. Scientists learned through observations and analysis of human behavior. Scientist प्लूरल था, आप दोनों ऐड कर सकते हो. लर्न थ्रू ऑब्जर्वेशंस एंड एनालिसिस ऑफ ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. You can write the behavior with OR or OUR.
Students are encouraged to monitor their own attendance.
So students are encouraged to monitor their own attendance. सो स्टूडेंट्स ही होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे आर था. एनकरेज्ड पैसिव में है, देन वी आर यूजिंग ईडी फॉर्म ऑन अटेंडेंस. सो लेट्स चेक द आंसर. स्टूडेंट्स आर अनकरेज्ड टू मॉनिटर देयर ओन अटेंडेंस. सो ओन मीन्स ओ एन ऑन नहीं है, अपनी अटेंडेंस है ओ डब्ल्यू एन ओ.
Collaboration between departments is a feature of successful companies.
Collaborations between departments is a feature of successful company or companies. So I am adding here both. So let's check the answer. Collaboration between departments as a feature of successful companies. सो हेयर इट इज़ कंपनीज, क्योंकि फीचर की बात कर रहे हैं तो एक कंपनी नहीं होगा, सो प्लूरल होगा. सो कंपनीज, सक्सेसफुल, कोलैबोरेशन एंड डिपार्टमेंट्स. नेक्स्ट वन.
The ability to work with fellow students cannot be stressed enough.
The ability to work with fellow students cannot be इकट्ठा आएगा, be stressed enough. The ability to work with fellow students cannot be stressed enough. So check the spelling of stressed. B है तो ed form use होगा. So first write the stress word, then add ed form. Cannot आपका collectively आएगा. Students है, then ability. Next one.
Enrolling a second major will increase the career option.
Enrolling a second major will increase the career option. So let's check the answer. So this is the answer. Enrolling a second major will increase the career option. Again, check the spellings of career. Next one.
Studies show there is a positive correlation between two variables.
Studies show that there is a positive collaboration between two variables. Studies show there is a positive correlation between two variables. So here it is correlation. CORRELATION. Next one.
The study shows that there are positive connections between the two variables.
The study shows that there are positive connections between two variables. The study shows that there are positive connections between the two variables. Next one.
Science is found in society all around the world.
This is little bit easy. Science is found in society all around the world. So science is found, this is the third form of verb, society all around the world. So let's check it. Science is found in society all around the world.
The assessment of this course will begin next week.
The assessment of this course will begin next week. The assessment with double S, then again double S, MENT of this course will begin next week. Begin अगर will given है तो हमेशा first form हमारी use होगी. So remember this point.
We can work together to achieve higher educational standards.
We can work together to achieve higher educational standards. we can work together to achieve higher educational standards.
The two variables in the study were very closely correlated.
The two variables in the study were closely correlated. The two variables in this study were closely correlated, very closely correlated. So here very is missing. So you will get 1 point for one word.
The introduction is an important component of a good presentation.
The introduction is an important component of good presentation. The introduction is an important component of good presentation. So this is the last one. So this is the sentence. The introduction is an important component of good presentation. So always start your line with first capital letter and stop your line with the full stop. And if you have any queries, then you can write in the comment box, and you can also mail me, and share these videos with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.